Gamestore.lk. MSI Pulse GL66. MSI Pulse GL66 11UEK. Intel Core i7 11800H 24M cache, up to 4.60 GHz. 16GB DDR43200 MHz. 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD. 1XRJ45 1X 4K at 60Hz. HDM1X Type-C USB 3.2 Gen 1 2X Type-A USB 3.1 Gen 1 1X headphone out. Type-A USB 3.2 General 1 Type-A USB 2.0 DC in. (2560 by 1440 resolution and the blazing fast 165 Hz refresh rate panel. It's time for a more vibrant visual experience. Immerse yourself in lossless music and enjoy the premium sound quality with high-resolution audio. Experience and listen to audio the way it was intended. Dedicated thermal solutions for the CPU and GPU with up to 6 heat pipes. By enlarging the internal diameter of the thermal pipe and using MSI exclusive thermal grease to ensure the maximum performance under extreme gaming. Illustration for GeForce RTX 3060. Design may vary by configuration. 2 fans 6 pipes. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3066 GB GDDR6. RGB gaming keyboard with number pad. The latest Wi-Fi 6 features 802.11ax standards and 3x faster than Wi-Fi 5, designed to deliver the lightning-fast gameplay, the best streaming, and the most immersive communication experience. Play on the most optimal gaming settings with Wi-Fi 6. Equips the latest 11th General Intel Core i7 processor. It's up to 40% performance gains over the previous generation. Achieve greater power with this 8-core processor supporting up to 4.6 GHz dual-core turbo frequency to maximize efficiency in gameplay, multitask work and productivity. Light up your style. Customize your RGB lighting keyboard with Mystic Light from MSI Center to match your unique gaming style.